In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Progressive Insurance online. To get started, head over to the Progressive website and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the account connected to the policy you want to cancel. If you have more than one policy on the account, take a moment to confirm that you're working with the correct one before moving forward. This helps avoid making changes to the wrong policy by mistake. Once you're signed in, navigate to your policy details. This is usually the section where you can review your coverage, billing information, and policy status. If you're not seeing it right away, look through your dashboard or account menu until you find the area that shows the full details of your active insurance policy. From there, look for an option that says Cancel Policy or Request Cancellation, if that option is available online for your policy. Keep in mind that not every policy can be fully canceled through the website alone. In some cases, the online account may only let you start the cancellation request and then ask you to complete the process with additional verification. If you do see the cancellation option, go ahead and select it. You'll typically be asked to choose your desired cancellation date. Be careful here and select the date that works best for you. If you're switching to another insurance provider, it's a good idea to make sure your new policy begins before your current one ends, so you don't experience any gap in coverage. After choosing the date, submit the request and follow any additional instructions shown on the screen. Depending on the policy and your state, Progressive may require you to confirm the cancellation by phone or with an agent before it becomes final. If that happens, just continue with the prompts provided and complete any remaining steps they ask for. As you go through the process, pay attention to any confirmation messages, cancellation terms, or notices about refunds or remaining balances. It's helpful to review those details carefully so you understand what happens next and when the policy will officially end. Once everything is submitted, keep a copy of any confirmation you receive for your records. That way, you'll have proof of the request and the cancellation date if you need to reference it later. And that's how to cancel Progressive Insurance online.